So for this video, we will draw and color a pigeon. A pigeon is a type of bird belonging to the family Columbidae. They are known for their stout bodies, short necks, and short, slender bills. Pigeons are highly adaptable and can be found in cities, rural areas, and various environments worldwide. The most common pigeon often seen in cities is the rock pigeon Columba livia. Pigeons have been historically significant, used as messengers in wartime, homing pigeons and symbolizing peace in various cultures. They are also known for their strong homing abilities, which allow them to return to their nests from long distances. Thank you for watching! Please like and subscribe for more videos.